Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Friends, everybody know that this channel is Islamic History channel, and we were making videos in Urdu. So lot of my friends, especially from Ghana, they were watching my videos and they request for me that I have to make video in English. And also they were asking me about my glasses, why you are using glass. So dear friends, I using glasses because I have operation of my both eyes, and doctor said that I have to be careful from computer and laptop etc. So dear, let me start about first video, and I will try to make a video weekly and will be public 9 o'clock of Pakistan time, and which will be Europe side and Ghana especially 5 p.m. So every Sunday 5 p.m. Ghana time and Europe time and Pakistan time will be 9 p.m. So friends, Sahih Bukhari book है Hadith number 1 book, chapter number 2, Hadith number 33. Narrated Abu Huraira, the Prophet said, the sign of hypocrite are 3. 1. Whenever when hypocrite speak, he tells a lie. He always talk about lie. This is first. And second, whenever he promises, he always break his promises. Number 3, if you trust him, he proves to be dishonest. If you keep something as a trust with him, he will not return to you. So, Sahih Bukhari book number 1, chapter number 2, Hadith 34, narrated Abdullah bin Amr. The Prophet said, whoever has the following 4 characteristics will be a poor hypocrite, and whoever has the following 4 characteristics will have 1 characteristic of hypocrisy, unless and until he give it up. Number 1, whenever he is entrusted, he betrays. Number 2, whenever he speaks, he tells a lie. Number 3, whenever he makes a covenant, he proves treacherous. Number 4, whenever he behaves in a very important, evil and insulting manner. So, friends, we pray to Allah Almighty that He keep us away from those hypocrites. May Allah give us permission to understand Quran and Hadith and walk on right way. Allah Hafiz.